Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Wii U Error Code 112.1035. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to access websites using the Wii U internet browser, but the connection fails. According to our research, the error happens because the Wii U browser is outdated and no longer supports the necessary security protocols. This results in the website refusing the connection due to SSL, TLS handshake failure caused by the lack of newer cipher suites. To deal with the error, you will require using an SSL proxy on your PC to route the Wii U's traffic. You will also need to inject a custom root certificate into the Wii U browser. This can be done using signature patch and ftpiu everywhere. You'll need to edit the rootkey.pem file in the Wii U browser files and add your custom root certificate. So try this and check if this helps with the error. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.